How to cancel Starz App subscriptions. The very first thing you want to do is to head over to your settings of a device. Once you're inside settings, head over to your Apple ID at the very top. Tons of different menus will be visible to you, but head over to the option Subscriptions. Wait for a while for it to load. It will be landing you on the space. In this space, it will show you all the list of the application that you have the subscription of. Right now, none of the application is visible, which means that I don't have any subscription of any of the application. But for you, if you have bought the subscription of Starz app, then it will be visible in this page. All you want to do is click on it. Once you head over to it, the option of cancel subscription will be visible to you. All you want to do is click on it, and then the subscription of Starz app will be cancelled successfully, and then you'll be good to go. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can cancel Starz app subscriptions. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. And if you have any queries, you can drop it down in the comment section below. We'll see you in the next one.